I'm Gillian and I'm from Invenco in Auckland, New Zealand. Really pleased to be here at NACS 2022 and welcome you to the virtual booth. We're really also pleased to be part of the Gilbarco family now, and I just wanted to run through a couple of products that we're bringing to the table as part of our strategic approach to this market. So I'm going to start off with iNFX. iNFX, you may have heard, is a set of small independent microservices. Each one is designed to run a particular function at your retail site. So for example, we have the iNFX EPS, which manages all the payments from your indoor and outdoor pay points. Then we have the Energy Delivery Service, or EDS, which is the equivalent of the traditional forecourt controller, but goes beyond that and enables you to manage delivery of any type of fuel, gasoline, electric, CNG, hydrogen. And then we've got a raft of other microservices that support your simplified integration into all the other pieces on the site, like your car wash and your ATGs and your payment terminals. So a range of microservices, and this product really speaks to the strategy that Invenco has, which is all about enabling our customers to become digitally agile. So today's legacy platforms are typically monolithic. Every time you want to change something or bring a new feature to market, it's very costly and it takes a long time to get to market. So we wanted to break that apart, enable you to move very quickly to introduce new business initiatives, to do things like being able to change your payment processor or introduce P2PE, and the architecture of iNFX allows you to do that really easily. One of the other core things I wanted to talk to you about with iNFX is that it enables you to run in a totally distributed mode, or in the centralized mode like it is today. And by distributed I mean, because the microservices are so small, you can run them all on board an outdoor payment terminal or any device at your site. And the services are hardware agnostic, doesn't matter what device you're running them on. But it also enables you to run, for example, on an outdoor payment terminal. The outdoor payment terminal is then able to process payment, it's able to authorize the pump, it's able to send transactions to the back office, all without any reliance on other parts of the system. So your traditional forecourt controller is gone, that piece of hardware, no single point of failure, all running on the payment terminals themselves. So that's a little bit about iNFX. I can now move on to our cloud services, which is the second product that I'm going to talk to you about today. So you can see here the operational dashboard for our cloud. Our cloud is a secure IoT platform designed to remotely manage any payment terminals, site applications, EPSs, or any type of devices on your site. So we have a generic platform. We have a range of different functions and features that we can provide. All customers from Invenco are able to access our asset management tier, which allows you to have a real-time digital inventory of your devices. You can see at any time what software version's running, what configuration they're running, and what status they're in. So that's a free offering for any customers that are taking our devices. The cloud allows you to connect to any device. Currently we've got 80,000 devices connected today and growing. So it doesn't have to be just Invenco terminals, and we're looking forward to working with Gilbarco to look for a strategy to pull Insight 360 and ICS together to build out a really larger site view and enable you to remotely manage your systems. So very quickly, the other parts of the cloud service that we have today is the ability to remotely update software on your devices or your applications, pull logs for troubleshooting, reboot devices remotely. We've got a remote key injection facility, so you can download cryptographic keys for debit PIN or P2PE keys without having to pull your devices back out of the site. Then we have a range of media functions as well for our outdoor payment terminals, and some different options for customers that are wanting to run synchronized media content at the site. We have a kind of self-service playlist environment where you can upload your own videos, build out a playlist. Or for those customers that are wanting to engage with a third-party provider, we have Media API, and several of the media providers today are already connected to our cloud. And we're processing around 7 billion video plays per month at the moment. So very exciting stuff. Obviously, alerts allows you to manage by exception. You can tell when paper is out or a payment terminal's not operating. So all the remote management capabilities that you need to avoid truck rolls. And at the end of the day, that's what you're trying to save, is the number of truck rolls, make it much more cost effective to manage your sites. So iNFX and Invenco Cloud Services in a nutshell. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed your tour.